Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can make a cool sound for your video only with the CapCut. Open your CapCut right away and then just need to wait until the application is perfectly open. Right after it's open, now you just need to find the video that you want to add the audio or sounds on it. Here is the video, and this video hasn't sound yet, so let's just add the sound. You can just go tap into the audio part, and let's just make a voiceover to add the sound. Go with this voiceover and start to record. You can like click and hold, or you just need to tap so that the button will be count 2 3, and then you can like start talking. Make a cool sound with CapCut. Right after you're done, you just need to go back, click the button. Now this is the result. Make a cool sound with this only an original sound, and let's make it cooler. You just need to take a look on this button part. There will be the audio effect. Just tap it. So there will be like a lot of effects that provide by the CapCut application, and then you just need to pick one of them to make your voice look or sounds cool. Make a cool sound with CapCut. Make a cool sound with CapCut. Make a cool sound. Make a cool sound. You just need to find one of your favorite sounds, and then you're done. Now your sounds sound already like sounds cooler than before. Thanks for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.